আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান। আমি বিশ্বাস করি আপনি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে চান, বাট কিভাবে ইংরেজি চর্চা করতে পারেন? আপনার পাশে থাকা একটা মানুষের সাথে আপনি হাঁটার সময় চর্চা করতে পারেন, বসে থাকার সময় চর্চা করতে পারেন। সো আপনি নরমাল কনভারসেশন গুলো দিয়ে শুরু করতে পারেন লাইক দ্যাট। হ্যালো স্যার, গুড মর্নিং।
Good morning, sir.
থ্যাংক ইউ। সো কুড আই নো ইউর নেম প্লিজ?
My name is Saifullah Redwan Tamim. May I know yours?
Yeah, thank you very much. My full name is Mohammed Umar Farooq Khan Rahat. So if you want, so you may call me Rahat. It's my nickname.
All
Well,
right.
thank you very much. Where are we from?
Originally, I'm from Dhaka and also I live in Dhaka. So, what about you?
Thank you very much. But I'm originally from Mymensingh, but
Mm-hmm.
I live in Dhaka. Okay, so
Right.
what do you do actually?
I do for a living is I'm a spoken English instructor. I
Oh,
teach
nice.
students how to speak English and how to refine their language, sir. What do you do?
Yeah, thank you very much. Also, I'm a teacher.
Right.
I teach spoken and IELTS.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, I'm working those students who were very weak in English. You
Mm.
know, there are a lot of students in our country, and they are very weak in English. They cannot speak in English naturally, and they get fear a lot. And I'm working them actually, and I have been working last for 10 years.
10 years, that's a lot.
Okay, but right now you mentioned earlier, yeah, you are a teacher,
Yes, sir.
but I want to know, so whenever you teach, how do you feel about your students?
I feel that they're lagging somehow, and I try to help them however I can. If I have to manage some time of my personal space, I do that. If I have to manage some sheets or any lessons, I do that on myself. And my institutions also help me a lot.
Okay, so what's your opinion about learning English? Do you think practicing English is important for improving their language?
Actually, practicing and language, those are a different part of the same coin. If you don't practice your language, you cannot learn or you cannot improve the proficiency. That is my thought, sir.
Okay, so I got it. So how do you practice actually?
We practice or we make them practice in different ways. Like we call them on outdoor sessions. We actually make them pair practice. We actually made a strict rule that no one can use their native language in except English in their classroom or in their daily life conversations. That is how we maintain our proficiency, fluency, and we make sure that they're practicing a lot.
Okay, why do you think right now students should learn English?
Actually, the world is getting competitive day by day. And otherwise, you don't have some skills, you're not actually the survival of the fittest. If you have to be the survival of the fittest, you have to learn skills and you have to be like a person that no one can replace you. And as English as an international language, no one can replace this language in today's world. So if you want to present yourself in the modern world, actually you have to learn English no matter what.
Okay, so how long have you been practicing English actually?
I have been practicing English or I have been practicing teaching English for 4 years now. It will be 5 years in this year. And it's been a lot of fun to teach them. And actually, I have been practicing English for maybe 7 to 8 years, and still I'm lagging. So I need more practice as a teacher, and student needs a lot.
So, RAS English Care is an unique institute for learning English. And what will you say about it?
Well, it is a unique institute, I would say, because Rahat's English Care actually putting a lot of effort for the students. They care a lot for the students and they are trying to improve their students' language. And that is a really remarkable job they're doing. Actually, I have seen no organization putting this much effort on one student so that he or they can improve. Actually, it is a very unique thing Rahat's English Care is doing. And the teachers are really humble, the teachers are really amiable, and they actually help a lot. If you ask a student that they can get a teacher support on at night 2 a.m., they will say yes, because I have seen one. I have seen many. I have seen some teachers of residential. They were telling me that, you know, what happened last night. Last night, a student woke me up from the sleep at 1 a.m. and they asked me some question, and I actually replenished that
Okay.
problem.
You know that our residential course is called actually a signature course for learning English. Do you think so actually?
I think it would be a signature course, not in just Rahat's English Care, but for the whole Bangladesh, because student needs time, and to
And they are getting an excellent environment, so there is
exactly
no way to speak in Bangla here.
there's
They are
no way
trying
to
to
speak
speak
in
in
Bangla.
English.
Exactly, they have to speak in English. There's no other way, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
So actually আপনি আপনার বন্ধুদের সাথে, আপনার কলিগস এর সাথে আপনি যখন কথা বলবেন বাংলার পরিবর্তে আপনি এভাবে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারেন। তাহলে যে ব্যাপারটা ঘটবে আপনার কাছে কখনোই মনে হবে না ইংরেজি চর্চা করার জন্য অতিরিক্ত টাইম প্রয়োজন।
কখনোই
যে
না।
ব্যাপারটা আপনি হচ্ছে বাংলায় ঘটছে সেটাকে আপনি ইংলিশে বলার চেষ্টা করেন। আপনি এমন কিছু বন্ধুদের সাথে মিশেন যারা আসলে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে পারে অথবা ইংলিশের প্রতি তার আগ্রহটা আছে। তাহলে আপনি কখনো ইংলিশ বলতে গিয়ে দ্বিধাবোধ করবেন না, লজ্জায় পড়বেন না। বরঞ্চ আমরা একসাথে শিখবো, একসাথে এগিয়ে যাবো। এরকম একটা মাইন্ডসেট আপনার পক্ষে ডেভেলপ করা সম্ভব। আর যখন আপনি সমমনা মানুষ পাবেন, যেকোনো কিছু জয় করাটা অনেক বেশি সহজ
সহজ।
হয়ে যায়। সো আমি বিশ্বাস করি আমাদের মতো এরকম যদি ইংরেজি চর্চা করতে চান তাহলে জয়েন করে ফেলেন রাহাস ইংলিশ কেয়ারে অথবা জয়েন করে ফেলেন আপনার এরকম সমমনা মানুষের সাথে ইংরেজি চর্চা করতে থাকুন। ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনিও হবেন একদিন সাবলীল স্পিকার। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।